What is up, party people? Welcome to La Crosse, Wisconsin. It is winter here in La Crosse, Wisconsin, as you can tell. And in the winter, you can head to Mount La Crosse for some skiing or snowboarding. They have 19 different runs that you can hit up. There's also 650 miles of interconnected, well-groomed snowmobile trails, if that's something that you're interested in. And they're also pretty well known for their ice fishing. For the rest of the year, you can enjoy some great vineyards, breweries, and orchards, and plenty of outdoor activities like kayaking, mountain biking, and then plain old regular fishing. Here we play the Viterbo University Fine Arts Center. I hope I'm saying that right. This multi-facility building opened its doors in 1970. It houses art galleries, dance studios, a black box theater that seats 184, a recital hall that seats 178, and the main theater that seats just over 1,100. We're here for one night only before we head to Madison, Wisconsin. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers! Designed to do this, right?
Yeah. Getting better and better. I don't think this date is going well.
No, it's not. I'm really just trying to piece everything back together. Okay, bye.